In this shallow wetland, a small group of Greater Flamingos has gathered, barely 30 of them, spread across the water like brush strokes on a canvas. There is no rush, no urgency, only rhythm. Every step is deliberate. Long legs move gently through the water, stirring the surface just enough to awaken what lies beneath. Watch closely. They are not wandering, they are searching. Flamingos feed in a way few birds can. Heads tilted, upside down, beaks slicing through water, filtering life invisible to the eye. Tiny organisms, algae, and crustaceans. In silence, they harvest an entire world beneath the surface. Their color tells a story. Soft pink fading into white, a reflection of what they eat and what they live. Even in this small group, each bird carries its own shade and an own identity. There is space between them, but they are not disconnected. A glance, a step aside, a subtle shift in direction. Communication without sound. And sometimes the stillness breaks. A stretch of wings, a flash of hidden color. Gone in seconds, but unforgettable. In a world that moves fast, this moment does not. No chaos, no noise, just water, light, and life moving at its own pace. Sometimes you don't need a crowd to witness beauty. Sometimes 30 flamingos are enough.